Hi, I'm Randall. Today my topic is about jQuery. This is the experiment 7 in the web technology, and the first program is about to moving a car. In that car, there are some spaces it gives. The car only moves in the places only. After whenever the car is when diverted from the track, then it's getting away from this track. It starts to like blink or yeah, like that functions. And I give this title as moving car, and these all are for the jQuery's sources, and then met names called viewport, the contents, the width device width, and the title is about the document. Then the script. The script is written in this ajax.googleapps.com in the libraries, and but we can say that this jQuery program by this symbol dollar. We can easily say that with this symbol, and the dollar document dot ready. This is the function call. Then this function call is the document dot key down functions event. The events are given below, and the variable car is equal to the dollar and the colon and hashtag car. So it takes this car, and the arrow marks are the buttons which are in the keyboard. That's in the left is equal to 37, and up is equal to 38, right 39, and the down is 40. And the switch event, that event which the arrow is right, the car is transformed to rotate 300 degree, and the car animated is moving left to the plus 5 pixel, and then it's break. And the case, if the another case arrow down, then it's how to rotate 90 degree, then it animated the top, it has to plus 5 pixels, so it getting down. Then the case, another case is arrow up. This arrows, it transforms into the degree of 2000 sorry 2070 degree. Then it move the minus 5 pixel for the up movement. Then the arrow is left when it's press this button, left button, then it transforms and the rotative 180 degree. Then it moves the left is equal to minus is equal to 5 pixel. Then only this cursor moves. Then the where car is equal to this dollar car hashtag car. Then the where car pass post is equal to, and there's a dollar car, then the position, and then the variable L is equal to car position left, the where T is equal to car position top. Then we created the if class statements, that's the L is greater than 0, and the L is smaller than 268. If, and we create another if the T is smaller than 85, or the T is greater than 250, then the car is equal to fade out slowly. Then the car is also faded in slowly. Then I created the another list that the L is greater than 40, and the then if is T is more than 85, or the T is equal to greater than 250, then the car is faded slow. Then we close this script tag. Then we created a style tag as the margin is equal to 0 pixels, and the padding is equal to 0 pixels, and the box sizing is also the border box. So we can easily use this page, and these are all the items in the questions. And we closes the style and the head document, and we created a body document, that's a division tag. The division tag, it calls the function id is equal to car, then it calls the function, and the style is equal to position dot absolute, the z index is equal to 3 left, and then and the image id is equal to car. Then the source is a car jpg, that's the image we in the same folder. Then the altering the width is 18 and height is also 50, and I closes the division tag. Then there's a break line. Then the division tag creates the class R1 and R2. We closes it. We run the program. These are my output. Then when we press the right button, it moves forward. Then we press the left button, it moves backward. Then we press page up, then it comes down. Then we down, it's come down. Then we press the page up button, it goes up. And when it crossed the this black margin, then it faded. Yeah, you can see it's faded. And the another program is yeah, then the another program is we have to append some page numbers and the names. Whenever we click the append button, in that text file field area, that what to say, that letters are added in the output. Whenever we remove the text, it's also remove the texts. And that's the same as the title is the registration form and the H1 is the registration form. Then the script is in this particular in this page, that only we enter the program and it runs only in that web page, and it closes the script. Then the style is the ancestor, and the display is a block. When the border is 2 pixels solid, that's also the style. Then we closes the style, and we created this script function. That's that the dollar symbol document dot ready, it's the function call function. And if there's a hashtag added is equal to click function. When it's added, then the dollar is out, that append the name plus that names in that field area name and the register number, and then the field area register number, and dot value, it's the break line. Then this is the remove function, that whenever we click this function, it clears the function with an empty. Then we close our script tag, then we closed our body head tag. Then after we created the body tag, that the name is these are all the these are all the input. Type is equal to text and the id is equal to name, that's a break line. Then the register number, input is type is equal to text and the id is equal to register number, and the classes is equal to ancestor and id is division. Then whenever the division tags it may occurs, then in that all elements are in between this division tags. Then the p tag id is equal to out slash p, then it closes the division tag. And the button, the id is equal to add and the id is equal to remove. Whenever we click this add append text, it added the what to say, the names and register number. Whenever we click the remove text, it removes the text file. Okay, we can test our output. Our name is Ranlin and my register number is URK 20CS 2050, and the append, it append the data. Then we change our we change our name as Arun, and the register number is about 248, and we append the text, it also append it from the box. If we want to remove the text, then we can simply click this remove text. And the other program is how to change the car color, car body color. If the script is source is equal to, in this place we can all the time we say the queries function, queries all are the happened, then the meta is equal to name, then the viewport, and the content is equal to width is device width, initial scale is equal to 0. Then we create the style css for this trapezoid, that's the border button. That's the border button is 50 pixel and solid this color, and this all are the what to say, yeah, that's the style functions. But we have to here to learn about the only the script project. Then the hash the dollar document dot ready function, when it calls the ready function, uh, you have to put that money. So the dollar is about the body code click function, and it's also another click function. Then we created this three variables as the red, blue, green, and that's the formula of math floor math dot random. It takes the color which are random by the color numbers in the var color. RGB is plus RGB is red and the green and the blue, and the dollar body is changes the body color, and these are the tire size, and the tire size is not even changing. Then the what to say, yeah, then the script tag is closed, and the hashtag also closed. Then we have to create the treepoints in css. That's the division class trapezoid is created this class trapezoid, and if it is this class rectangle id is equal to body, then the division tag class circle id is equal to tire 1. That's this all of the programs. And we created this division class circle id is equal to tire. Then we created this what to say, closes the division tag, and we are having a break line. That's the body is just that the body color is changed, and the tire changes not is changed. Yeah, you can see the program. Whenever we click the body color, it changes the body color. Then if you have to change the tire size, you can also change the tire size. Thank you.